Hey guys, we are on our third week of online madness. Um, all right, so this week, guys, we're going to be kind of following the same rhythm that we were doing last week in asking the right questions. Um, I haven't posted this yet. This will post. You'll see it when this video posts along with it. You're going to be reading chapters 8 through 9, which is on evidence, and then 11 through 12. I have posted a few PowerPoints here that I think if you read through in addition to reading your text, it will give you some extra support as you try to make sense of this. I would like you guys to, as we've been doing, go through and answer questions number 3, or do exercise number 3 at the end of each of these chapters. Just show me your thinking. In addition to that, guys, I would like you to read, this wasn't originally on your schedule, but I modified it. It's from Stephen Jay Gould. It's called The Median Isn't the Message. And I think this one really gives you a good insight as to what statistics are. Now, statistics actually kind of fits into the chapters on evidence, but the authors determined that it was such a big subject that it deemed appropriate to give it its own chapter. Now, coming from an English perspective, and Zave will highly disagree with me here, but, going through high school, I didn't see a lot of merit for a lot of my math, and mostly because I just couldn't see, where am I ever going to use this? It's the same high school argument. I've since changed my views on math considerably since I got into college and did math. I learned how to do math. But I did remember taking a statistics class. I think I was in maybe the first year of college, and that was a math class that I really felt like I could see world benefit from. And I remember I had an Australian teacher who said, "My goal for this class is to make you all accurate crap detectors." That was my attempt at making an Australian accent. But I think I've never forgotten that statistics, that class was to make me an accurate crap detector because there was a lot of crap in statistics. I think Mark Twain famously said, it might even be in your book, that there's lies, there's damn lies, and then there's statistics. So he, leveling them off, he puts that as the worst bit of information. Statistics do have their place, but it's going to be an interesting chapter. So, for this week, guys, we're going to be talking about evidence first. So if you can have that under your belt by Tuesday, we'll talk about those. That's a lot of material to try to go through in 20 minutes. So if you have specific questions, that will help kind of guide us a little bit. For Thursday, guys, you have the statistics and then significant omitted information that's significant. And what that means is if, sometimes we're presented with an argument or information and they leave out key details. So for instance, if you ever buy a timeshare, the person who's selling those is always trying to make it seem like this is the greatest, thing ever. You'll really enjoy it. But they forget to leave out the part that the timeshare is in, Boise, Idaho in the dead of winter and all the windows are bricked up, something like that. Okay. That's kind of omitted information that, people might want to know about before they, sign the dotted line saying, I'd like to purchase a timeshare here. Okay. So, good luck reading through this stuff, guys. I think it's doable. I cut out a few things for you so you could be working on your paper too. We can certainly save some time on Tuesdays and Thursdays to talk about that if you have questions. I also put the link to the Median Isn't the Message, which again is an excellent piece. Okay. Anyways, guys, that's I think all that I have for you. I'm sorry I've been a little bit behind on putting in your grades, guys. I can't believe how much extra work that I've had to do from doing this. I've taken on a lot of stuff to help other teachers out, but your grades are going to be coming. I will be caught up hopefully by the time we next meet. So, all right, you lot. All right, I'll see you Tuesday.